Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making another DIY project. We're making a Glam wall decor mirror. This mirror came out so amazing. I'm so happy with it. It was a long process, but being patient and having the right tools, and we got through it. So let's get into this. These are the items that we will be using today for this project. A list of the items will be in the description box below. So for the mirror, I decided to spray paint it the metallic silver spray paint. I love the finish of this color on the mirror, and I felt that it will give my mirror the extra glam look that I'm going for. So you could leave the mirror black, but I decided to go with the silver spray paint. I added some rhinestone gems to the edge of the mirror. I bought this item from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure what it's called, but I knew it would go well with my project. I started adding the pearl and the gems to the item that's going to be going around the mirror. I made 60 pieces of the item. I measured the mirror in order to find the center so I can place the round mirror, and I glued it down with the E6000 glue. I started to glue down all my pieces. And this is the finished project. We placed the mirror in our hallway. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will be uploading videos weekly. And thanks for watching and have a blessed day.